The second question is given a Poisson process and a new stochastic process as xt, and we first draw a couple of samples and find the probability and the expectation and RT1, T2. First, we draw a couple of samples and just like this. First, it begins with -1, and this is 1. And the second, it begins with -1, and it's 1. And there are just 2 samples. And in part B, we just let lambda t equals to lambda prime, and then we have this formula, and p xt equals to 1 equals to p k is odd in 0 to t, and this probability is we can use a Poisson process and it equals to this one, and this one is just this formula above, so we get this, and which is we get this, which is 1 minus e minus 1 minus 2 lambda t over 2, and this and in part C, the expectation is the probability of xt equals to 1 minus produce 1 and minus the probability of xt equals to -1, and which is the probability. We calculate this to probability in part B, so it's just this. And in part D, we just for T2 is greater than T1, we have this one, we have this formula, and which is there are 2 conditions. First, let these 2 equals to 1 or both equals to -1, so we will get xt1 produce xt2 equals to 1, and minus these 2 conditions, so we'll get which is xt1 minus produce xt2 equals to -1. So we just simplify it, and we will get this one, which is the probability xt2 minus t1 equals to -1, minus the probability of xt2 minus t1 equals to 1, which is this 2, and we will get this, and so the RT1 T2 equals to e minus 2 produce lambda and the absolute value of T2 minus T1. That's all. Thank you.